In today's video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to change visual styles in Fusion 360 so you can optimize your workspace for better design, more efficient modeling, and high-quality presentations. Whether you are a beginner just starting out with computer-aided design or a seasoned professional looking to speed up your workflow, understanding the different display modes is absolutely essential for viewing complex geometry and identifying hidden features in your parts. Changing your visual style allows you to see the true form of your object, identify internal intersections, or simply make the project look more realistic while you work. If this video helps you improve your Fusion 360 skills, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more CAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, you will need to have a project or a part open within the Fusion 360 interface. Once your model is on the screen, look at the very bottom center of the workspace. You will see a small navigation bar with several icons. We are looking for the Display Settings icon, which looks like a small computer monitor. Go ahead and click that icon to open up a secondary menu full of visualization options. Within this newly opened menu, you will see a variety of categories like Environment, Effects, and Object Visibility. The one we are focusing on today is the Visual Style submenu. Hover your mouse over Visual Style and a side menu will appear showing you the different rendering modes available in Fusion 360. This is where the magic happens for your workspace aesthetics. You have several distinct options to choose from depending on your current task. The first option is Shaded. This mode gives you a clean, realistic look by applying lighting and color to your surfaces, but it hides all the edges. It is great for getting a sense of the final product's volume. Next is Shaded with Visible Edges. This is the gold standard for most designers. It provides the shaded surfaces of your model while highlighting the outer boundaries and surface transitions with crisp lines, making it much easier to select specific faces and edges for editing. If you are working on a piece with complex internal components, you might want to select Shaded with Hidden Edges. This mode displays your model as a solid, but uses dashed or lighter lines to show you internal features that would normally be obstructed by the front surfaces. This is incredibly helpful for checking clearances or finding internal holes without having to create a section analysis. For those who need to see through everything clearly, there is the Wireframe option. This removes all the shading and surfaces entirely, leaving only the skeletal lines of your geometry. There are also specific variations like Wireframe with Visible Edges only, or Wireframe with Hidden Edges. Selecting the right one is purely based on what part of the design you are focusing on at that exact moment. To apply the style you want, simply move your cursor over the specific style name and click it. You will see the change reflected instantly in your viewport. You can switch between these as often as you like. There is no penalty or lasting impact on your design geometry by changing how it is viewed. I personally recommend switching to Shaded with Visible Edges during the building phase, then moving to Shaded or even a rendered view when you want to showcase your work to others. Being able to toggle these styles quickly will prevent you from making mistakes, as you can verify that your fillets, chamfers, and joined bodies look exactly how they should. Mastery of the display settings is one of those small things that separates an amateur user from an expert because it shows you understand how to manipulate the software to serve your visual needs. If you ever find your model looks a bit messy or you can't see a specific line you just drew, come back to this menu and try a different style. Sometimes all it takes is a change in perspective to solve a difficult design problem. And that is a wrap on how to change visual styles in Fusion 360. You now know how to navigate the display settings, access the Visual Style menu, and choose the best viewing mode for your specific engineering or design tasks. Consistency in using these tools will significantly enhance your productivity. If this video helped you out today, remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more in-depth software tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing!